How to check someone's location on iPhone. Let's get started. Want to check someone's location on an iPhone? With Apple's built-in tools, you can easily view a friend or family member's location if they have shared it with you. Here's how. First, open your Find My app on an iPhone. In the People tab, you'll see a list of friends or family members who have shared the location with you. Tap on their name to see their current location on the map. From here, you can also get directions to their location by tapping Directions. If someone hasn't shared the location with you yet, you can request it. Tap Start Sharing Location, select the contact, and send them an invite to share the location. Once they accept, their location will show up in the Find My app. Another way to check someone's location is through the Messages app. Open a conversation with the person who has shared their location. Tap their name at the top and select Info. If they have location sharing enabled, you'll see a map with their current location. For family members, you can also set up family sharing to automatically share location within your family group. Go to Settings, click on Apple ID, navigate to the option of Family Sharing. Now select Location Sharing and ensure it's enabled for everyone in the group. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to view the location of anyone who has shared it with you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.